morning everybody. We have discussed about first of all the English Department of Computer Science and Engineering course name 23 CST 207 Dbms second year fourth semester. Very number 5 searching hash techniques, topic number 9 and extendable hashing. So before we have what is hashing or what is hash techniques and separate chain hashing, rehashing. These topics are already covered. Now we go for extendable hashing. So extendable hashing, there is no problem, nothing but is a dynamic hashing, a method wherein directories and buckets are used in hashing. So in before we have seen some of the topics based on static oriented. So this is the external hashing or dynamic hashing. Okay. So suppose the question is asking your end semester examination. Explain in detail about dynamic hashing. The question is right means you can write it in one of the examples. Okay. So suppose you have a differentiate means you can show it this one of the examples. Okay. So it is aggressive flexible method in which the function is out of experience in dynamic changes based on your bucket size. Okay. So main feature external hashing, the directories are address of the pointers. It is an ID assigned by each directory which may change. I mean directory expansion to take place for our bucket. The bucket are used as actual data. Okay. We go for next one, structure. This is a structure, basically data structure of extendable hashing. So global data is 2 and data local data is 2 because we have starting from 00, 01, 10, 11. So this basic condition we have received the value and convert to a binary value after you can insert one by one here. Okay. So next one is a directory. This is called directory. This is bucket. In external hashing, first of all, first thing I receive the data. Whether the values are individual value or point numbers. String value. So I receive only string numbers. Second step, convert to the binary format and check the global depth in directory. Step 4, identify the directory. Step 5, navigation. Step 6, insertion and overflow checking. Step 7, tracking overflow condition during the data. And step 8, rehashing and splitting by element. Step 9, the element is successfully hashing. So after I have completed my first session, the problem statement can be handed over to Sandhya, secondary CSC.
Now we have given a prominent example of extensible hashing. So they have given elements like 16, 14, 6, 22, 24 up to 26. Now we are going to perform here the extensible hashing. The first step here is we have to take the first element, that is nothing but 16. The main first step in the extensible hashing is nothing but after taking the element, we have to convert that element into a binary form. So the binary number for 16 is 1000. And after that we have to check the leftmost element. So in the leftmost element we are having 0. So we are going to consider 0 and now we are going to put the 16 in the box of 0 in the local depth, and in the global depth we are having one value, that is here only there is two possibilities. Only the last element can be 0 or 1. So we have split the box into two, zeros and 1. Now in 16 we are having the leftmost element as 0. So we are going to place 16 in this local depth box.
Ma'am, suppose I have received bucket size is 3. What happens?
If the bucket size is 3, next we have to move to we have to take next two elements, last two digits. After that we should again rearrange the elements and we have to fill the
okay.
So here after 16, now the next element they have given us 4. Again we are going to check we have to take the fourth element and we have to write the binary number for the 4 and we have to consider the last element. So for 4 also we are having the last element as 0, so we are going to place 4 also here.
based on extendable hashing.
So advantages of extendable hashing. Data retrieval is less expensive. No problem of data race since the storage capacity increases dynamically. So furtherly you have any doubt means refer this reference. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. This is one of the method, easiest storing database management system. Easily retrieve data, and as well as there is no loss. There is no loss to transfer the data